What is the best charger for your Google Pixel 6 or the Pixel 6 Pro? Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find the best charger for your Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So here we are on the official website of Google. This here is the Google Store and we are on the official 30-watt charger page. Now, super important thing to note over here is that for your Pixel 6 or Pixel 6 Pro to charge at its maximum 30-watt speed, you need a power delivery 3.0 charger with PPS. That's it. That is what you need to know. You need a charger with power delivery 3.0 and PPS. If you have, say, the 18-watt charger from the Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL, that is going to charge your device at 18 watts. It's not going to charge at 30 watts. And again, PPS is a specific requirement for it to charge at 30 watts. Now, another important thing to note over here is that tests on Reddit have claimed that to charge the Pixel 6 Pro fully, it takes 2 hours, which in my humble opinion is a bit too much, but those are the tests with the PPS chargers. So again, if you're expecting it to charge in like an hour, that's not going to happen. They say 0 to 80% is pretty fast, and then it slows down from 80 to 100, and this is with adaptive charging turned off. So again, all the relevant links are in the description of the video, and I have created an Amazon page wherein I have linked all the chargers which I have found to be compatible with power delivery 3.0 and PPS. Of course, this is not a comprehensive list. I will keep on adding more chargers as I find them, and again, feel free to find your own charger, or if you find one which works absolutely fine, mention it in the comments. So the first one here is the official charger from Google. Of course, 25 bucks on Amazon as well, and if you want the one with charger and cable, it is 35 bucks. The next one we have on our list is the one from Spigen. Now, you might find some other non relevant or say unknown Chinese brands out there. I'm just trying to use the ones which are super popular, reliable, and supposedly have good customer care. So this here is the one from Spigen. This has a foldable plug. The cable is also included. Of course, 45 watts PPS, so you can use it on other devices as well, which may require more than 30 watt, like your MacBook Airs, the Dell XPS, and of course, this comes with a 24-month warranty and is available for 30 bucks. Next up on the list, we have a USB-C charger, single port, 30 watt from Anker. Again, this one also has PPS, because if you scroll down on the product description page, you will notice here it is. PPS is there, 30 watt max, single port, available for 33.99 at the time of recording this video. This is a small nano charger. Next up on our list, we have the NECTEC 45 watt USB-C wall charger, again power delivery 3.0 with PPS, and this one in fact is certified by USPIF and only costs you $20. The downside, the cable is attached, non-removable cable, but again, if you want something like this, feel free to get one. The next one on our list is by Anker. So this one again 65 watt for 40 bucks, but this is 65 watt. So if you have a device which requires 65 watt, and then this one might be good for you, so that you don't have to buy multiple chargers. Again, it does support PPS and should work with the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro without any issues. Comes with 18-month warranty and cable is not included. Next one on our list is the USB-C by TechNet. Now this has multiple ports, again power delivery 3.0, it has PPS, and surprisingly at the time of recording this video, we do have a lightning deal going on this one, and you can save an extra $5 as well. Again, no issues with respect to the output. PPS should work without any issues. Here are the details for the specific ports. So if you're using one power delivery, it can go up to 65 watt. Power delivery 2 can go up to 65 watt as well, and the USB-A port can go to 30 watts. Now, of course, these are for single point charging. Once you attach two cables, then here are the numbers. And similarly, if you attach three cables, then here are the numbers on your screen right now. Next one on our list is the 65 watt USB-C charger from Anker. Again, this has two ports compatible with a bunch of devices, which does include your iPhones as well. And again, it does have PPS, so should work without any issues. 18-month warranty, the cable is not included. Next one on our list is one from TechNet. So this here is 45 watt with two ports, and it does have your PPS. So here it is, power delivery 3.0 with PPS. Again, compatible with a bunch of devices, including the iPhone 13s, the MagSafes, the iPad, the Galaxy S21, the Nintendo Switches. Again, it has a foldable plug and does not come with a USB-C cable for $30. Next one on our list is the Anker Nano 2. Now we did have the 30 watt version of this on our list as well, but this here is the 45 watt version. So you'll have to choose the one which best suits your needs. Again, you do have a foldable plug over here, and you should get 18-month warranty. USB-C cable, of course, is not included. PPS on deck. Next one on our list is again from Anker. Now this one here has three ports, 65 watt, PPS is on deck. You do have the foldable plug as well. Again, 18-month Anker warranty, and I'm pretty sure the USB-C cable is not included on this one. And it has a pretty big list of compatibility, compatible with the iPhones, the Galaxy S21s. And these here are the specs. So with single port, dual port, and triple port, these are the outputs, and I'm pretty sure you should be able to charge it at 30 watt max even when you have three cables plugged into this specific charger. The next one on our list is from Treb Lead. Now this here is 30 watt power delivery wall charger, and of course it supports fast charging for your Samsungs, the Pixel 6 Pro, the Pixel 5a, and all of this for $19. And last but not the least, we do have a Spigen USB-C car charger on our device, which does have the fast charging output of power delivery 3.0 at 45 watt, and then you also have a 20 watt plug as well, making a total of 65 watt. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this is not a comprehensive list, just some of the chargers which I found, and of course I will keep on updating the list, which is linked in the description of the video. And I hope the video helped you, and likes, shares, and subscribes would be appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.